Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So, in today's class, we will be discussing further shapes. You know that in yesterday's class, we have started a new unit and that is about geometrical shapes, right? So, in last class, we discussed one shape that was square, and we also discussed all different types of shapes. Who are the one with the curved line, the one with the straight line, what is the plane shape, right? What is an open shape, what is a closed shape. So we discussed all these types of shapes, and then we discussed this square in detail as well. Now in today's class we will be moving forward and discuss another shape, that is rectangle. Okay, so rectangle acts as a big brother of square. Why that? Because a square has all four sides equal, but a rectangle has two sides bigger than that, right? So it's more prolonged and big as compared to square. Now we will discuss all the features of it together, and we will discuss the examples as well. Okay, so tell me how many of you have revised the yesterday's lecture at home? Yes, raise your hands. How many of you have revised it at your home? Okay, great. So is there any confusion in that? No? Okay, I gave you a home assignment as well. You were supposed to search for, look around in your room, in your house, and tell me some more examples of square. How many of you have did that? Very good. So can you share your examples with us one by one? Okay, let's start with Vase. Yes, Vase. What did you find of square shape? Photo frame, very good. What else? An LCD, okay, great. LCD of square shape, okay. Yes, who else want to share something? Yes, Maha, what did you find of square shape? Books, okay. Photo frames, okay. Yes, anybody else want to share something? Okay, so let's move forward and discuss about the rectangle shape. But before we start that, let's quickly revise what does each shape name is and what are their characteristic features. I'm going to share the screen with you and we will watch an interesting video related to the shapes together. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible. Okay, great. Let's watch it together.
Ooh, hey, hey. Hey you are. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about shapes and learn how to draw them. So come, let's practice and learn about shapes. Enjoy. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That's a square. 1, 2, 3 sides, and that's a triangle. That's a circle with one stroke. Yes, come on. Alright, that is a circle. That has too many sides. 5, 6 sides. That's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's a pentagon. 5 sides. Oh, that's a sign. What sign is that? Let's learn. It's not easy to make. Yes. Another stroke. Come on. Yes. Try again. Oh yes. That works. Yes. And Yes, that's a peace sign. Oh, that one is easy. A one stroke. That's a oval. That's an oval. That's easy too. It's like a D upside down. That's a semicircle. That's a one stroke. A line. This one has four sides, but it's not a square. What is it? It's a rectangle. Oh, that's interesting. A curved line. It's a zigzag. So these are the shapes we learned.
Okay, so we have learned the features of all the shapes. Now let's get started with rectangle. So if we talk about a rectangle, this board basically itself is of rectangle shape. It looks like this. It has the opposite sides of a rectangle. They are equal in length. Okay. Okay. Now, what happens basically is it also has, if we talk about what are the similarities between square and rectangle, so they both have four sides and both corners. But in case of square, all sides are equal, but in case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. And the size, if we talk about the size of it, a rectangle can be small, it can be big as well, right? Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you and we will discuss further examples of it. This is a rectangle, okay? Well, the big brother of square. Yes, okay. So the opposite sides are equal. Let's look at the other example. The first example is of the door. All the doors are of rectangle shape, right? Yes. Look at all the doors around you. They are of rectangle shape. The opposite sides are equal in length. What is the next example? Television. Now, not only television, LCDs, LEDs, all of them are in rectangle shape. Again, the opposite sides are equal. Yes. Okay. Let's look at the next example. The next we have books. Well, most of the books are also of rectangle shape. See, usually books are not of square shape. Yes, there are some, but most of them are of rectangle shape, right? How many of you agree? Okay, good. What is the next example? The next we have a mobile phone. All the mobile phones, all the tablets, they are also of rectangle shape. Have you seen any mobile phone of square shape? There were one by the Nokia, but they are very rare of square shape. Most of them are of rectangle shape, right? Okay. And then we have a blackboard or a whiteboard. All of them are also of rectangle shape. Okay. What else? Okay, that's all from my side. These were some of the examples that I want to discuss with you. Okay, class. Now, what I want is sorry, now what I want from you is to search for some other examples of rectangle shape around you. These examples can be something from around your room. You can just look around and see. If not, you can search for them on internet as well. Search for the examples of rectangle. Then what is your class activity? You will write the rectangle heading, then its features. Its feature would be it has four sides, opposite sides are equal, it has four corners, and it can be small, it can be big, right? So you will write these features, then write few examples and first search it on Google. Okay, hurry up, start practicing. Let me know when you are done. Yes, all of you are done. Show it to me one by one. Very good, excellent. Okay, class. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. I- I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.